Hey friend, I wanted to sit down and make this video because you've been following me for a little bit and I know you're probably noticing that things have been a little bit quiet lately, and honestly, a lot has happened. Recently, my Instagram account, Facebook page, and my Facebook group all have been suspended all at one time. And when it first started, I wasn't really sure exactly what to do. I think anyone who spent any amount of time creating content, building relationships, and pouring their energy into a platform knows exactly how discouraging that can feel. And it's not because of the follower count, it's not because of the views, it's literally because of the people, the conversations, the community, the connections that you got to build along the way. And for a moment, I found myself thinking, like, okay, what now? But after sitting with it for a while now, I realized something. The accounts may be gone, but the mission isn't, the purpose isn't, and the knowledge isn't, and the people who genuinely want to learn and grow together are still here. That's when I decided to stop focusing on what I lost and start focusing more on what I still have. That's why you're watching this video today, because this YouTube channel that I'm creating now is officially becoming our new home. This is where we'll gather, this is where we'll learn, this is where we're gonna build together. And honestly, I think this might be one of the best things that's happened for the future of this community. One of the biggest lessons I've learned through this experience is that social media is borrowed land, y'all. We don't own Facebook, we don't own Instagram, we don't own TikTok, we don't own YouTube, none of those. At any moment, things can change, algorithms change, platforms make decisions, accounts get restricted, and that's exactly why moving forward, I'm focusing on building a stronger foundation. Instead of putting all of our eggs in one basket, we're gonna build something that's sustainable, something that can continue growing regardless of what happens on social media. So let me tell you what you can expect moving forward. Every Wednesday throughout the rest of the summer, we're gonna continue doing the workshop Wednesdays. I wasn't able to get the recordings from the last two workshop Wednesdays that we did, so we're gonna have to restart everything. These workshops are completely free and designed specifically for beginners. We're gonna talk through everything from creating content to affiliate marketing to building simple systems using tools like ChatGPT, Canva, ManyChat. There are other tools as well, software tutorials, mindset, and everything I wish that someone had explained to me when I first started. My goal is to help make things simple. There's enough complicated information online already, and I want this channel to feel like you're sitting down with a friend who's showing you the next step, not overwhelming you with 50 steps, just one. You'll also find tutorials here on the channel, step-by-step videos, beginner guides, software walkthroughs, and behind-the-scene lessons from my own journey, because I'm rebuilding too, and I think that's important to share. I'm not coming on here pretending I have everything figured out. I'm learning, I'm growing, I'm adapting, and I'm building right alongside you. Now, if you're completely new here, welcome. I'm Carol, and I'm a stay-at-home mom. I'm an entrepreneur. I love helping beginners get started online, learning how to make money. I love food, culture, family, and learning from different people and experiences. One of my biggest goals is to create a life where I can travel the world with my family while helping others build more freedom in their own lives. And that's the journey you'll be seeing here. The wins, the lessons, the mistakes, the growth, all of it. So if that sounds like something you'd like to be a part of, I'd love for you to join me. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel, turn on your notifications, and check out the links below this video. And if you're looking for a place to start, I have a free beginner training video that I started with that you can get started with too in the description below. I'll link it below. Also, make sure to join my email list so that you will have all of the updates, resources, and future trainings moving forward from me. That is already included while you opt in for the free training. So as soon as you enter the free training, you will already be opted into my email list. Make sure you're reading my email so that you do not miss any of the updates. And before you go, leave a comment below and simply type rebuild. So I know that you're here with me for this next chapter, and I thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for sticking around, and thank you for being willing to build something bigger than social media accounts. Until next time, build anyway.